Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a set speed and distance from a detected vehicle ahead on the highway and is able to bring the vehicle to a complete stop. The Lane Keeping Assist system continues steering assistance at higher speeds, helping to keep the vehicle precisely in the detected lane. Lane Departure Warning and Road Departure Mitigation are designed to alert the driver to an unintentional departure from a detected lane or roadway. Road Departure Mitigation is able to apply steering torque and apply the brakes to keep the vehicle from leaving the roadway entirely. Forward Collision Warning, part of the Collision Mitigation Braking System, scans the road ahead to alert the driver of potential collisions. If the driver doesn't take action to avoid a collision with a detected vehicle, the Collision Mitigation Braking System is able to respond in 4 stages. The available blind spot information system continuously monitors behind and to the sides of the vehicle, helping to alert the driver if a vehicle is detected. The available surround view camera system provides a 360-degree display of your surroundings, allowing for precise parking in demanding situations. When reversing, the rear cross-traffic monitor uses radar to detect vehicles approaching from the side.